Yeah. Work time. And then homework time. And then Jocelyn needs me to take a picture with my nice camera for something. Yeah. Work, homework, picture. And then I got to talk to Dan, because I was like, I might need his room for my horror show idea, so I want to get him in on the idea, so we'll see how that goes. And that's the night. To work. Okay, I got a 92 on the psych grade from my exam last Wednesday. Sorry, Jocelyn texted me. She needs me to take that picture. Yep, I am up. I don't know why she asked if I'm up. Like, I go to bed before 2 a.m. any day of the week ever. This is a really exciting video, right? I hope so. I hope you're enjoying it. Come on, Jocelyn. Okay. Yeah. So, surprise, there's a grade there. That's wonderful. I need to do this discussion question, which involves me reading a study and then making up a question so that we can talk in class. And I've done them in the past, but I've been sick when we've had them. And then what was I going to say? Oh, I ended up staying an extra half hour at work today because Sam was late. So that was, be up in 5. Okay, Jocelyn will be here in a few minutes. Yeah. So like I was saying, super distracted. Staying late at work. So now I'm about to start my homework an hour and a half later than I should be. Oops. How well. That's, nothing exciting has happened today. Seriously. So I'm gonna, I think this is fun. Jocelyn's not feeling it. This is a bad idea. He's sorry. So that is what we ended up with. I think she's gonna end up probably using that one because she likes the lighting better. But I think these look best. But who am I to judge? Okay, homework. So gross. Sorry if I'm like completely grossing everybody up, but you know what's grossing me out? My fucking hands. They're freaking me out. Look how, oh, it's so nasty, like, ugh. Look like fucking like, oh, like a leathery old woman, like who like tanned too much, except I never fucking got tan. So I get all the negatives of tanning too much without any of the benefits of being tan. So annoying. Also, this psych article makes no sense to me. I have no freaking clue what's going on in it, so my discussion question is not going to be very good. I'm just saying. I don't know what's going on. But we'll see. We shall see. Well, no, I mean, I'm gonna make a discussion question and it'll be awkward in class, but at the very least, I will have handed in a question. Early stages right here. This is what I have of the horror story so far. I know it doesn't look like much, but they're very general sentences, so they do actually open up and allow for a lot more in-depth stuff. So it'll be exciting. I'm trying to figure out how many episodes, like what I want the specific plot to be, so that when I start telling people about it, it'll be, you know, taken care of properly. So yes, that is basically all I'm doing for the rest of the night, is getting this shit written. I want to arc out the rest of the season. Not the rest of the entire season. Well, I mean, I kind of have episode 1 figured out. I don't know how long it's going to be. Maybe if it's like a 10-minute episode. That's the thing, is I don't know how long I want the episodes to be, which would very strongly dictate how much I can, you know, how many episodes there's going to be, because the story is a certain length. So if the episodes are like 10 minutes each, you know, it'll be fewer episodes than if they were 5 minutes each. I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens. We shall see. Okay, I'm gonna get back to this, so I will see you tomorrow.